Man, we just had some crazy conversations here on the stream. DragonBallPaul on Twitch. Make sure y'all are following me to stay tuned with all of it. Make sure you guys join the Discord so this way we can stay in chat with one another at all times throughout the day. The chat never ends. Let's go check out Slim Incognito, the drug dealer's spot. What's the craziest thing you guys think Slim is selling? Because I'm telling you right here, he's the guy that sells you the shady gas station pills. He's the guy that sells you, yo, the 07 sour diesel, that good shit. This is how people used to picture the drug dealers. Now you realize there's that meme with the SpongeBob character where they're all nice people. So I got 31 pieces of rare titanium. We got the advanced shielding system, the torpedo launcher, the fast lock missile launcher, the electromine launcher, the fusion cache. Give me this. Lasers first of all. Good. Look at the claw. We're gonna use this claw in the next area. Frozen bakes. Confront the thief. Damn, we made some heavy progress with this. The Discord chat is like New York. The city that never sleeps. Sleeps. It really is. Anubis was talking shit about Street Fighter. I Discord fight on Street Fighter later today. Nah, no way. He's gonna get spanked. Just like I spanked him in Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel. You already know. So, I want to get this mini turret glove, the Synthenoids. Man, this game has some of the best weapons, the best everything. This is one of the most perfect Ratchet and Clank games ever. I'm telling you, this makes Ratchet and Clank 1 look so bad. Look at this gun. Look at this gun. It's so fun. It's so fun. There's something so satisfying about the way it locks on, cocks back, and then blasts them and shakes the screen and flashes it. It's art. This is peak art. And whoa, they're trying to set me up. Look at those sleeper bots. Beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's gabish. Ooh, let me try something out. Can it hit me? Oh, shit. Model for 2 quick scopes. Let's go. Let's go.
To zoom in with the pulse rifle, hold L1 and then press R1. To
Don't have my
out, hold L1.
Ammo. I want to actually buy a gun. You can't buy all at once in this game. You have to actually scroll through. This is one of the changes that they added in the next game that actually fixed a lot of things here. Ooh, there's a bolt chilling up there, and the rest of them disappeared. Hurts me to see the bolts disappear, but it's whatever. Let's do some quick oops. Can we go for 2? Nope. Hey, yo. That's some BS. It's a sniper rifle. What? That would have hurt me if I was on challenge mode and they actually hit me. Losing my multiplier pisses me off. This man lying on your name? Me personally, I want to take the Jelly's such an instigator. Y'all two are the same. Yo, Jelly and Anubis, if Jelly isn't on Call of Duty, Anubis like, yo, we gotta shit talk him in the chat. He would log on real quick. And then same thing with Jelly to Anubis. Yo, we gotta shit talk him in the chat. The competitive edge with these guys. That's why they're such good gamers. That's why they're such good gamers, because they got the same competitive edge that I have. Yo, anybody put some disrespect on my name, especially when it comes to gaming, or even something that you just have fun with, it's like, yo, that competitive edge pushes you to that ultra ego level of just the abilities and that Vegeta, I want it, I want that Super Saiyan, I want it. It's literally just like that. I want to be a Super Saiyan. But that's why they're so good at the games that they play, because it's that competitive drive, it's that masculine edge. That's what's up though. I respect it. I understand the psychology of it and I respect it, so even if we be shit talking, I don't take it personally. We're still spawning. The lit gun is so perfect. Man, this game is so good. I've been playing this whole game in flow state this whole time we've been playing. Have you guys seen me complain about one thing since we played this game? I've been doing my mini rants about real life stuff or even just topics on the other hand, but like the whole time I've been playing this, I've been in flow state and it just hasn't felt like any bad parts whatsoever yet. No bad checkpoints, no bad guns, no bad OSTs, not a bad level yet. It's just been fun. Like this whole playthrough flow state. Super Saiyan flow state, look at this. I don't know if the vibes are like radiating off of me or what you guys would say from the outside looking in, but it's great. Return to the ship, or do you want to proceed further? Give me my mini turrets. All right, we got another gun. Chopper gun, mini nuke. So what I want to do... Weapon select, my quick select. I want to switch this one out. I don't want to... What's this, a tractor beam? Get rid of the tractor beam. Put this here. Have that. And if I want to use these swing shots and shit, my seeker gun. Seeker gun should be right there. Perfect. So you can return... Look at the stance. That's like the... Y'all know what stance this is as a guy. You gotta like unstick it. Paul's ass at Commando. What? What? Give me a run back and you get it right now. Oh no, count. Bengals, don't be mad you lost though. What the? If Saiyans are a Kaioken instead of a species, what if Black Panther's a Saiyan and to become Super Saiyan with the power of the Black Panther instead of apes? Bad levels are later, says Dom. Oh yeah. This music and everything was so perfect. It's so good. Like this game cheers me up. It was a rainy, thunderstormy type of day. Woke up kind of feeling sad from some nightmares and shit. And the next day you play this and the day just runs by smooth. It runs by so smooth. That's the swing shot. As soon as I put the swing shot away. Boom, quick scope that shit. Look at that. Big Bubba gun. Pulse rifle. Whoa. Shot over his head. This shit got some authority. Wait. Oh, look at that damage. Go for headshots. That robotic ass force. Shot this. Vaporizer. Give me the chopper. The chopper. But this you never want to stand still. They're getting too close. You just want to kind of do these jumps. There we go. Destructo discs. Boom, level up. Guns leveling up left and right, man. There we go. Again? Okay, let's try with the mini turrets. The seeker gun, for sure. Bye-bye. This is the most bootlegged way of this train falling over, but as a kid, I was like, what happened? It just topples over the most iffy way, but I always give it a pass because it's such a good game. It just kind of falls to its side so awkwardly. You fuck with me? You still got it, man. It's honestly surprising. Oh, Parsec win. Oh, we'll see, Silva. Like I said, I've been holding to my word. I said I was going back through all of these games this month, and I have. It's just like I can't keep to a schedule. It's whatever I feel like playing for the morning. It's that itch. That ADHD itch. You gotta work with me. Oh shit, oh shit. Man, I'm getting chopped up because I'm trying to use this other gun. Not the smartest move, but it's like, they're spawning right here. I might as well level it up a little bit. How many can I shoot out? I'm just empty the clip, even though they'd be jumping up and down. That's good. I barely got any XP for that. You're only joining where she joined Street Fighter. I smell bitch, says Joey. Man, people out here talking about dreams and nightmares, but you're stuck with nothing but fade to black and waking up to morning alarms. Yo, that's the thing though. I only started getting dreams again like within these past couple of weeks. Like, Dom, that's the crazy part. I was having fade to black for most of the year. As soon as I stopped drinking, as soon as I started as soon as I stopped smoking weed too. And I don't know what, something else I had to change too. I don't know, something about the diet, something changed. And like these past 3 weeks, I've been getting vivid dreams again. And I was like, holy shit. It's actually pretty cool because now I don't crave any of those things because it's like, yo, every night's something new, but it's been a lot of nightmares. Not gonna lie. You haven't been able to dream since middle school. What?
Megacorp, take your imperialistic eco-fascism to another dimension. Say goodbye to your Frankenpest.
Come on, Clank.
Too slow, you corporate lackey.
That's this corporate lackey. Back in the day, before the corporation sucked the soul out of all these games. Let's use the seeker gun. Look at that damage. Look at that damage to this boss. Look at that damage. And he dead. Not dead? He's one shot. And he's dead now. He said, get out.
Wait for a moment. Do you suppose?
I want that jet board.
Not worth it. We got what we came for. Let's just get that little guy back to Mr. Fizzwidget.
Back to Mr. Fizzwidget.
Spank? Is that you?
Ratchet and Clank.
Accomplished our mission, sir.
Hey, yo, that belongs to the hub.
And in our possession.
Why, that's cutaneous! Absolutely munificent! You two are a galuptious team!
We were glad to assist, sir.
We just need coordinates to our next rendezvous point.
Of course. I'm on my way to give a tour of Megacorp's historical mining site. Here's a little pack talk on the fragility.
Megacorp Manufacturing and Mining, a tireless drum major leading the galaxy on its march of progress. Come tour our desert mining facility and see why our most precious product is our history. When we first arrived, we found a planet completely overrun by rainforest. To better accommodate the local wildlife, we transformed this impassable jungle into an easily navigable desert. Ever the technological pioneer, Megacorp invented the automated management team, thereby
AI.
eliminating costly upward mobility, and all the while making your life richer. Megacorp Manufacturing and Mining. Our march continues to the tune of progress and profitability. Call Investor Relations today.
Is that facility still operational, sir?
That's terrible.
Alas, no. But it's steeped in hysterics. I've offloaded the condiments to your naval computer.
We'll see you there.
The condiments to your naval computer. Bruh. What is this? It's easier to remember things that are spooky. Yeah. Even though you're in a better place. What was the idea?
Hey, there's Mr. Fizzwidget.
Bruh.
What happened?
Everything's fine. There was just a bit of debris on the landing pad.
That was our ship.
Don't worry about it, little fella. It's insured. So, do you have the, delivery?
Sketch.
Ridiculous. Come, gentlemen. There is precious little time. Just sit back and relax, boys. How about a little flying music?
He did that on purpose.
Nah, he's just easily distracted.
Yeah,
He
well,
played it off pretty well, but he did do it on purpose.
Come on, let's see if we can find a way out of here.
Like ready to score up with it, but man, these characters right here. This is peak lava gun, bouncer gun. Look at this shit. Look at this secret gun. I love it. I love it. I love it. About to get a nanotech upgrade. turret. Let's flood this room up. And then blitzgun everybody. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Space is a crazy topic. So many stars and planets. Yeah. It's endless. Milky Ways, galaxies. I mean, that's what this game is about too. Like, that's where most of these concepts came out of. Like, they were exploring all that right now. Endless concepts. This guy just bit my ass. Face the final frontier. Beautiful but scary. Ghost in the Rain says, you want to go into a black hole and see what happens? Hey. Wait, was there saying an idea with the Kaioken thing? Send it back one more time. Other places like this. Shit, oh shit, oh shit. This music matches the area too. It's like wah, wah, wah. This thing's got some armor on them. This made no sense right here.
It says, in case of emergency, break glass with wrench. Hold on. This one says, use rock to break glass to get wrench to break glass to get rock. Ooh, I love logic puzzles. Let's see. If you break the glass with the...
Solved it.
I have solved it. Your wrench has been upgraded. We've stolen one of the miner's wrenches. Wee wee. Now we go back over here. Give me this. Give me this. Gotta be careful before I accidentally buy a gun. Shot. Man, this swing shot been coming up a lot more than the dynamite. Look at this, I just press circle and it just locks in on everybody. Beautiful. 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 Just go for a nice glide. Look at the lava in this game. Ratchet and Clank 1 had that ragu looking lava. Look how good it looks here. Spyro also had better looking lava. I don't know what happened in Ratchet 1.
Hand over the experiment now.
I can't do that.
You have 3 seconds.
Yeah, that logic puzzle had no logic.
2, 3.
This doof.
Whoa, he's she.
This changes
2023 in a nutshell.
Where's the experiment?
We have returned it to Mr. Fizz, Widget.
Oh, you've just put the whole galaxy in imminent danger.
But
I don't have time to stand around explaining it to you. If you have any intention of fixing the mess you've made, watch this.
Oh no! Good thing that wasn't little Susie. Here at the Megacorp testing facility, we make sure the products you buy are safe for you and your family. These are just a few of the products we've rejected to help keep you safe. The Tiny Tot Slingshot.
Oh my god.
Clear Mousetrap. Self-wedgifying underwear. And the Lawn Ninjas.
What kind of kinky shit is this?
So the next time your toaster doesn't explode in your face, say a little thank you to the
Yo, word to my Lawn Ninjas.
facility.
Wow, she's got a few bolts loose. What does a testing facility have to do with galactic danger?
I am unsure. However, I believe we should investigate that location.
Well, we're gonna need a new ship.
That's the same shit I said. I was like, yo, she just gave us this random ass commercial. But it makes sense. It makes sense. And the second Lombax thing, we haven't really seen that in so long. And now we got Ribbit. Ribbit. And then you got the universe guy.
Oh.
Mr. Manifester.
Hello, sir.
Hey, that's my ship.
Possession is an illusion. Do not all things belong to the cosmos?
No. That's definitely mine.
This vessel suffers from wounded Cha. Only the power of the crystals can hope to heal it.
Crystals, sir?
Crystals? Like those found in the desert? Beyond.
Oh my god. And now every TikTok girl is doing this shit.
Well, we don't have any better ideas. Let's go grab a few crystals.
I mean, there's a little truth in this, but damn, this is so ahead of its time. Holy shit, man. This game is so good. Ooh, this music. Sounds like that SpongeBob Robo music. Beep bop. I think Lorna just Paul. Jasper says best game. Best game. Best game. Me say best game. Yes. SpongeBob meme. Best game. Best game. Yes. I agree. Best game. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I need to get 10 crystals, but can I do the glide from here? Can we do the glide? Or is it from up there? Let's try it. Yes. There we go. Give me some more secret guns. I'm gonna use this shit. The recoil on the enemies every time you hit them back is so good. It's so good. Maybe I should use this first. Create like a little... I'm gonna take the hits. Give me these Crash Bandicoot crystals. Those crystals just floating there. No, these bees are gonna eat up my ammo. Get off my ass. Get off my ass. Let me hit this back. Multi-star or bootcamp? One more crystal. One more little crystal. One more Shaka crystal. Where is it? I just need one. Go best game. Jasper. Damn, Spyro was older than Ratchet and Clank 1, so it really doesn't make sense for Ratchet and Clank 1 to look like it's made in the 90s. OG Spyro looked better than Ratchet and Clank 1. That's what I'm saying! That's what I was really trying to point out in the review. I know a lot of people still love Ratchet and Clank 1, but then it was like, yo, why that lava look worse than the 90s? It looked like it was from the 80s. But everybody got their nostalgia. Everybody got their own opinion. My opinion is that I like the PS4 version more after playing both. Just because it just aged so badly. This is the first one, like I said, I played, but it's so perfect. This is the formula they run with for the next 20 years for a reason. Look at these guns. Look at these guns. There was nothing like this in the first one. These guys were telling me, yeah, but you can use the suck cannon. I was like, bro, the suck cannon is such a mid weapon. It's so boring. I've done all the trophies.
The suck cannon and strategy.
No. Not for me.
The suck cannon upgrade from Slim Incognito helps you fap faster than you could ever say relapse.
I'll put this right here.
Oh.
Yes, the crystals are spiking to me with a single voice.
That was pretty impressive.
Bring me more crystals, and I'll pay you cold hard bolts. Huh? Oh.
So I felt when I went to that time for Karma Plate, and that friggin' rock would cost like
You can earn
10 to
vast
20
amounts
bucks
of
or some
gold
shit.
by
They were trying to use that water liquid from the museum until the late game. Oh yeah. You suck. What? I'll distract the enemies while you suck with the cannon. Hey, yo. Have you seen the NPCs in the Spyro PS1 gun games? They don't look better than Ratchet and Clank. We might have to do a comparison. I don't know about that one, Silva, because like I said, I pointed out the Blargian Snagglebeast versus Gulp and Crush. That is wrong, because Ripto's Arena, Gulp and Crush, all of them outdid the Blargian Snagglebeast. All of them outdid Drek. They actually did do better in most of those. All the bosses from Spyro 3 outdid everything they did in Ratchet and Clank 1. I gotta see some more of those NPCs that they fought. Look at the details on those first bosses in Spyro 3.
Welcome back to Behind the Hero. In yet another setback for the embattled Captain Quark, the Galactic Court ordered him to pay 6 billion bolts in damages to citizens suffering from personal hygienator syndrome. Only 2 days later, Quark was arrested trying to flee to Poketaru. The one-time hero, now full-time Zero, was placed in custody awaiting trial. But the next day it was discovered that he had escaped, flushing himself to freedom. We will return to Behind the Hero after these messages.
What a nut! I almost miss that guy sometimes. Almost.
Good foreshadowing. You think Ratchet looks overall more technical advanced, but Spyro has a stronger art direction? I'd say from Spyro 2 and onwards, it's more technically advanced. Ratchet and Clank 1 doesn't really compete with this game, and it doesn't compete with Spyro 2 and 3. Like, when I really looked back at it, I was like, holy shit, the PS1 was putting better graphics out than... And even, overall, everything was better in Spyro 2 and 3 than Ratchet and Clank 1 for me, personally. It's like, I can't really defend it as much as I played it in my childhood. That first game is dated for me. Like, not having no level up system, the nanotech system looks old, the mechanics look old. Even Spyro 1 has the same feeling for me, where they had that raspy voice for the Spyro, where he didn't know who he was yet until Spyro 2. And we got 25k for the new armor. I'm gonna get the new drip before I get the new gun. Let's go this way. We gotta go through the Megacorp facility and pay some more cash and shit. Let's go this way. No, wait. We're supposed to go straight to the Megacorp facility. Otherwise, you're going to the planet thing. Let's go this way. You've been staring at money bags. You don't notice the low polygons on him. Oh, he got low polygons, right? But his character and everything popped on him much, much more. There is a low polygon count on it, but it's still at the same time. It's still got a better charm. Sorry, Spyro. I'm going to rob you blind. But then I was like, if you take that same thing, right? Yeah, you're gonna have low polygons on the PS1, but Moneybags is still way more memorable with lower polygons than any Blargian Snagglebeast. And I think even to that extent, if Quark didn't have so many games, if we're just talking about Ratchet Clank 1, he was more memorable. In that sense. Something more magical about those characters. Ripto's more memorable than Drek. And they're almost like the same type of similar character, like a short, grumpy guy. Where the f— Look at that recoil. Oh my god. Bro. That recoil. The sound effects straight out of Spyro. Speaking of the devil, Spyro sound effects. Continue point and a checkpoint. Let's go.
Okay, this must be the core terminal. Let's see what we can get from it.
The power appears to be out in this entire area.
You're right. I better call a maintenance bot. Let's just follow him and fix it ourselves.
Oh shit. Maintenance bot too.
Need the glider here. You'll have to go to another planet to find it.
Damn it. It got me. And this shit's gonna cost me a ton of bolts. We got the new drip. Fresh drip. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. Hey, Speedy. What up, what up? 3 sets of 8. Let's get it. Honestly, even the little challenges in the bossing in this game are so satisfying. Yes. Yes. Where was the glider again? Damn, I'm shooting the boxes. Could have pissed somebody off with this, but you know what? It's whatever. I play like impatient American in flow state. There's a part of me that likes wasting out the ammo too. I don't know what it is. It's kind of toxic. It's like, how can I challenge myself? I have so many guns in my arsenal that I don't feel like I ever need all of it. Watch me regret it in a second. Because I know there's a wave of enemies coming up here. Look at all these bolts. Look at all these bolts. Bada bing, bada boom. One hit kill. And then they're gonna spawn back. Got the vaporizer. Can I get the sniper shot back there? Let's see. Ooh, crack this shit. Shit. Secret gun. Not enough ammo. It's starting to bite me in the ass right now. Vaporizer, we got 2 shots. 2 sniper shots right now. 1. I only needed 1. Man, fuck it. Hand to hand, hand to hand. Holy shit, he just got JFK'd. What the? They didn't let me do no quick swap. There's a vent in here? Yeah, there's the vent that you would have never expected was for the secret path through. This music. He was cooking. I would love to know how these guys make these tracks. Like, what are they on? Where do they get the inspiration to make some of this music? Because it's before the game even comes out. That's where we came from, so we're gonna go for one more. Swing shot, swing shot, swing shot, swing shot. Continue point.
Nobody, I mean nobody, gets by the mathematician.
Still have to go down that one path in the desert planet. Oh yeah.
Watch your mouth, Zero, before the mathematician
Still have to go through it.
subtracts your head from your shoulders.
Them fight words, Mar.
Fellow number cruncher, could I please ask what this is all about?
That moon's where we divide losers from winners before adding them to the Megacorp games. There's a challenger up there ready to reduce you to nothing.
This technology looks familiar.
He's moonwalking.
Perhaps I could.
Sweet.
The Iron Giant.
To that moon?
I always wanted to have like a cosmetic skin upgrade for his head. Like have a different, more lethal looking head with some spikes or some shit. Looking like Megatron. That would be pretty dope. Some Ratchet or some Clank skins. There's our challenger.
Hey,
That was for less.
Remember us?
Circle, punch, and then try.
My ex-wife always told me I had a short temper.
My ex-wife, what?
Hey, yo! The damage! Always with this shit. Look at these hops. Look at these hops. These missions are always tough. For no reason, too. Oh. Oh. Yeah, he's getting his ass beat. Robo Wars, Godzilla, Power Ranger type of scene. Just keep landing on his head and that's all you gotta do. That is all I gotta do. Bro, I have streamed this whole game so far and not a single problem. Really. Oblivion! Ain't missed too much. Oh my god, the hours just flew by while playing this. That's crazy.
Divide and conquer, huh? Guess you guys were prime after all.
Prime.
You're going to the Megacorp Games.
Ciao, bro.
Welcome to Megacorp Games, sponsored by Megacorp. Okay, Megacorp contestants, get ready to grapple with our Megacorp Gladiator team. And if you survive that, enter the Megacorp Battle Arena with our Mega Spider-Bot and our Mega Death-defying Mega Cave.
Yo, look at that monster.
Then open the throttle for the all Megacorp Hoverbike Race.
Hoverbike races. And it's such a different vibe from the first area Magtar Resort. It's got like a fall vibe. Orangey. Approach at your own risk.
Megacorp Games, keep it mega.
Mega Planet Joba. Yes. I made most of the money back that we lost from buying this suit of armor. Nice. I gotta find something to eat real quick because I'm like, yo, I want to play some Street Fighter in another hour while streaming. Ready for the games. Nothing my own. I think the food that I've been most addicted to lately has been Subway's The Boss sandwich. The boss. Mini rocket tubes, let's go. I gotta head back to the desert real quick and get that glider. Joba games. Mining arena. Explore the area. I need those wings. I wish I could have used them like everywhere. Flying like spiral. Whoa.
Pay for 6 hits and the 7th is free.
Hey.
You want us to what? Whoa, wait a minute. That'd be an unethical conflict of interest. What kind of scum do you think we are? Say, that is a lot of bolts. Well, since you put it that way, I suppose we could undo our previous obligation. Excellent, sir. Thank you for choosing Thugs for Less. Attention all Thugs for Less personnel. We now have a new employer.
Yeah. You gotta cook more, man. Yeah, I do. I should be.
Great crystal for bolts.
Use this shit. Walk through here. Walk through the Valley of Death. So for this one, this puzzle goes both ways. Ayo, you just gotta hit it like this. What the? Freeze it like that. But then you can go on the other side, and I think there's a bolt directly behind me if I'm not mistaken. Let me check. Watch this. So if you jumped... Oh my god. There's that hole right there to the... God damn it. We'll create a safe space. My safe space gun. Yeah, that tunnel right there. This was genius. You freeze this. I always love this high IQ shit. Whoa. Flipped right through. You using the wall here? Nah, you don't. Somebody figured this shit out. Nice. Got lava and ice and all that stuff. Got that ice spice. There it is, the glider. Kind of skipped it for no reason. Gotta get this. Hey man, at least I got the nanotech. I wish this was like an attachment to Clank. And you would be able to whip this at any part of the level. That's what I was hoping for as a Gerb. Why is there ring sounds? It's bugging. This thing is so finicky though. You touch one thing, you go spiraling into a death spiral and you're dead. There it is. My first platinum bolt. No, second. Force me for this one. You put comparisons. Yo, Bangles whipped out the Spyro screenshots for both games to the Discord. This man, let's go. Alright guys, I'm gonna end it off here. We're gonna go take a break. I'm gonna go grab something to eat. We'll be back with some Street Fighter in a bit. I'll be in the Discord checking out everything you guys wanted me to go check out. I love y'all. Be safe out there. Hopefully you guys don't have too crazy of a night here on Saturday. I'll catch you guys like in an hour or so. Young Money Baby. Let's